After the hurricane, people will want to help, but officials warn some donations could make the problem worse. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald spoke to TEMA about what to skip.
The Tennessee Emergency Management Agency says there is potential for a second disaster when people do not think twice about what they're sending.
When you have goods being shipped in, coats and clothes and toys, you have to pull people away from jobs that they are doing.
Emergency coordinators would rather their people stick to their assignments.
We don't want to have to pull them off or have them pulled off to do inventory and stocking and warehousing and those kinds of things, because it does get to be impactful.
TEMA says rerouting people can become a disaster within the disaster.
It becomes too overwhelming for the local officials who are trying to manage the help to the people there at the scene.
After Hurricane Harvey last year, clothes packed this warehouse in Houston. Thousands needed help, but not necessarily hand-me-downs. Instead, TEMA suggests donating money to a group that makes it clear where it's going.
There are a lot of organizations who are dedicated to that, to helping those who are survivors.
TEMA says if it doesn't feel personal to you, it is to someone.
What it's about is the person on the end who needs it.
Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
To see where teams from Middle Tennessee are deployed and who might need donations, head to newschannel5.com.